So once you've created a Trimble account, as per the previous video that you watched, you can start just by clicking on start modeling, and this might take a little time for the program to start depending on the speed of the internet, but just be patient. So now just click on create new and you choose the template in millimeters. So we're going to create basically first our floor plan. You can right click on the person there, and then we'll just create a floor plan first. So what we'll do is you'll click there and then you'll type in 2500 comma 10,000 and enter. So there's a little floor plan, and then we just want to make some thickness to the floor plan. So I'll just go up a little bit and type in 100 on your keyboard and enter that. So you'll see that already automatically made our push pull only 100 high there. So if you want to check that, you can go to your measuring tool, and if you click on the bottom there and you go a little bit up to the tip, it shows you 100. Or if you click on the side and you go across, so if I click on that side and I go across there, it shows me 2500. Now we're gonna have to, when we start with our floor plan, you have to leave a bit of space for your walls. So what I normally would suggest you guys do is just take the rectangle tool, put it on there and draw just the outline of a wall there. So you'll go 10,000 comma 100 and then enter. So that's just giving me an outline of the wall. So I'll go here as well, and then I'll go 2500 comma 100, enter, and then I'll do the same here. So I want to put all my 4 walls on so that I know what space I've got. So that one will be 10,000 comma 100. Yeah, it's very important when you put the rectangle tool down. I'll show you guys just the last one. When I put the rectangle, I'll click first, but you don't give it a second click because then you'll lock it in place. So I'll click the first one and then I'll type in 2500 comma 100 and then enter that. So now I've got all my walls in position, and what you can do if you want to is you can use your eraser and just get rid of the extra lines there that you in your walls. So the moment you can scroll in and out with your mouse wheel. This program works easier if you've got a mouse, so it will be handy if you've got a mouse lying around at home to use with your laptop, or even if you've got a desktop. It doesn't matter which computer you use. So we've got all the walls in, and we've got our floor plan of a 10 meters by 2.5 meters width. The reason for this is it needs to be pulled on the road, and that's a good width and a length to pull on the road. So now what you can do is see this measuring tape. The cool thing is here, if you hover over it, it shows you what the tool is. So paint, line, and so on. So if I hover over the measuring tape, it shows measuring tape. And if you click on the measuring tape, I can start putting measurements down. So say I want to put 1000 millimeters down there for my and then I can draw a line there, because then I'll know I'll leave that space. Maybe I decided to put my shower and toilet and basin there, then I'll go with the measuring tape again, and maybe I decided on say 3000 for my kitchen area, or 3500 for my kitchen area. This is the thing that you guys can work through. You can think of and see the mark that's left there. So I can draw a line there and put it there, and then escape, and then I've got this whole area for a living area left. So we'll just see, and you can check the measurement with that as well. So I'll click there and I'll just go back, and that's 5400. So it's a good way of starting off your floor plan and dividing it into different spaces. Now another cool thing that I think of Sketchup that's quite cool is if we click on the other side of the page, you've got all these icons. So see, there's 3 little blocks there. If I click on that, it comes up with the 3D Vera. So I can put in maybe shower and search for a shower, and I'll come up with all types of showers until I find something that's not really something that I'm looking for. Maybe if I say shower base, enter, That's some more than what I was looking for. So that's going to be my shower bed on the floor. So maybe that one looks good. So you click on that one and it will download it into the model, and you can just place it in the spot that you want it to be. So so I'll just move it to where I want it to be, and you can also change the size of it. If you go to this arrow and you choose this one, it's like becomes like a Word, almost a picture on a Word document where you can change the size of it. So you can, if you like that, you can lock it in place. So just double click on it and then go back to your little cursor and then click on it. So now I've created a shower there, and then I'll maybe look for a small basin and bathroom cupboard, or small basin, and then search for that. Oh, there's one that's nicely on a cupboard, and you can scroll through these. See, this is page 1 of 9, and you can find some that you might like, or maybe small basin on cupboard. So we'll search that one. Maybe I didn't give it enough information in my searches. Oh no, we'll just go small basin, or small bathroom. So small bathroom cupboard, and I'll look for that. And oh, this is a better search. So it's not really what I want, but there's 2 pages, so we'll see if there's on another page there's something. So if you can't find something specific that you need, so maybe we'll just type in toilet for our toilet side. So we'll type in toilet, and then we'll find a toilet. So we'll just look for one that you think might work for your little tiny home. Maybe we'll see how that one looks, and then again we can change the size of it, and you can change you can turn it around as well. So turning it around is also on this one, but you choose that tool. So I'll just I'll lock it into one of the corners there. So I'll just scroll in, lock and then you can turn it all around. So that's the position I want it in. Then you can go back to this icon, choose that one to move it in position first. I've moved it a little bit low, so put it in position there, and it looks a bit big, so I'll just for now scale it down a little bit. So again with that tool, and just like a picture on a Word document, you can scale it a little bit down. So, and then if you like that, you can just click on your cursor and double click on it on anywhere on the page. So there I've got a toilet. Same for the kitchen. So maybe type in kitchenette, and enter. So maybe I'll find the small, that's a gully style one there. Okay, wait, we'll just cancel that. I think it's quite a big model. Or maybe just kitchen cupboard. So I've typed in kitchen cupboard, and I'm going to look through the 3D warehouse. Now this is just stuff that people uploaded. If you're done, you can upload your sketch on here as well. I'll show you guys how that's done. So we'll download the kitchen cupboard, and there's my kitchen cupboard, but obviously it's the wrong direction, or I can put it on this side if I want to. And you can always check the size as well. So if I type on my measuring tape and I click on the top and click on the bottom, yeah, it's a meter and 35. That's more or less the right height. So you can just click on this. So when you guys have done, I want you guys to do the following as well. You can save it. So you save it, and then you can just give it a name. So I've got quite a few already here, so I'll just say tiny home floor plan, tiny home floor plan, and save it there, and then it will be there every time I need to look for it. Then what I can do as well is I can upload this to the 3D warehouse. So if I